Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive north on I-81, beginning at mile 67 in Wythe County, Virginia. We enter the town of Wytheville, county seat of Wythe County. Wytheville has an estimated population of 7,998 as of 2017. Here at exit 70 is an interchange with U.S. Highways 21 and 52. Beginning at the on-ramp, I-81 will see a series of concurrencies. First, U.S. Highway 52 South joins us. This is what's known as a wrong-way concurrency, where one highway is bannered north and the other is bannered south. This is an unusual situation in the U.S. interstate and highway system, but there's more to come. Also unusual is that US 52 is signed as a north-south highway here, contrary to the standard convention of even-numbered highways being bannered east-west. In the case of US 52, because the highway runs southeast to northwest, the cardinal direction varies depending on the local orientation. In this case, I-81 North and US 52 South actually run mostly east, so none of these directions here really make any kind of sense. Exit 72 is a junction with Interstate 77, which forms a multiplex with I-81 and US 52. This is our second wrong-way concurrency. We're now on I-81 North and I-77 South, as well as US 52 South. Then at exit 73, US 11 North joins us, which is pointed in the proper direction, although we're really still heading east. This makes this an even more uncommon double wrong-way concurrency. US 11, as we've mentioned in the previous videos, is also the Lee Highway, which is a throwback to the US Auto Trail system, which existed prior to the numbered US highway system. We enter the census-designated place of Fort Chiswell, Virginia. The community name comes from a frontier fort built in 1758 as an outpost during the French and Indian War. The fort, which was of strategic importance during the American Revolution as a guard post over a small deposit of lead used to mold bullets, was situated at the junction of the Great Trading Path and the Richmond Road, near the New River. The fort fell into disrepair in the 18th century as both the county seat and courthouse were moved from Fort Chiswell to the current county seat of Wytheville. The remaining foundations of the fort and its surrounding buildings were completely covered over during the construction of I-77 in Wythe County during the 1970s. There's a pyramid-shaped historical marker of sandstone situated approximately 200 yards west-northwest of the fort's original location next to the old chicken house. At exit 80, US Highway 52 departs to the south to once again run in its correct direction. At exit 81, I-77 exits, ending the wrong-way concurrency. We enter Pulaski County, which has a population of 34,203. Pulaski County is the site of the Claytor Lake State Park, which is located on Claytor Lake, a 4,500-acre, 21-mile-long man-made lake on the New River created for a hydroelectric project of the Appalachian Power Company. At the exit 89A on-ramp, we pick up Virginia State Highway 100 North, and at exit 89B, the concurrency with US Highway 11 ends, although it will remain nearby as it has for most of this trip. As we approach the census-designated place of Draper, we end this video at exit 92. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.